Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Tata Sumo Grande? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse and relay box. Die-core. The engine compartment fuse box protects essential engine-related circuits, such as the ECU, headlights, radiator fan, and fuel pump from electrical overloads. It ensures smooth engine operation and system reliability. Engine compartment fuse and relay. Box.turbo. Cabin compartment fuse and relay box. Die-core. The cabin fuse box manages and safeguards electrical components inside the vehicle, including power windows, air conditioning, infotainment, and interior lighting. It is conveniently located for easy access and maintenance. Cabin compartment fuse and relay box turbo. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.